Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I thought of making an effortless cake drip for you guys where you don't have to paint. You see those really nice, gold chocolate drips that you see online that cake decorators make that are so pretty and so nice. Today I'm going to be showing you, basically I'm going to be walking you guys through my thought process while I was making this video. I wanted to make a gold drip that you don't have to paint, because most times when I make gold drips for my cakes I have to drip it in chocolate first and then start to paint it with maybe a brush and some vodka and whatever. Anyways, so, okay, not whatever, like some edible gold dust and mix with vodka or extract and paint with brush, so it can be very time consuming and very stressful. So I thought to myself, okay, let me see how I can make a perfect gold drip that's drips like that without having to paint and stuff. So I thought about the fact that gold drip, the gold dust we use, it melts in oil. It doesn't melt in water, or it melts in oil or vodka or extract. So I thought, okay, why not mix it with chocolate? So first of all, I decided to try with white chocolate. So I'm walking you guys through my thought process while I was making this. So I took about 100 grams of white chocolate. Sorry guys, I got a call that kind of stopped my voiceover. So as I was saying before, the cockroach interrupted, and the cockroach being my friend. She's my best friend, she's awesome. Okay, so let's continue. So I took 100 grams of white chocolate and I thought, okay, let me try white chocolate first, because I was thinking, okay, that will give me a better color and stuff. So I took 100 grams and then we're going to put it in the microwave and we're going to melt it. And like I used to say on this channel, when you melt chocolate, you have to melt it at intervals, not all at once. Okay, so guys, after melting the chocolate, I decided to take about 2 tablespoons of oil, just odorless oil, maybe canola oil, sunflower oil, and about 5 grams of gold dust. So I tried to mix it together, since I don't know what it's called when something dissolves in oil. What is it called, guys? Hydrophobic. Oh, that's water. I have no clue. Anyways, I tried to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil into that and then mix it together. I kind of like how it looks with oil, but you can't really do a really nice drip because the oil will be too thin. I don't know if you get my point. So I decided, okay, I'm going to mix this mixture I just made now with my white chocolate that I already melted, and let's see the result it gives us. I bet it gives us a really nice chocolate drip. Let's see. So we're going to take this and we are going to pour it in, because basically chocolate is what's that thing, cocoa oil, or what's it called, cocoa butter basically, and some cocoa whatever and stuff. So I thought maybe that would work, but apparently it didn't work. Okay, this is one of those, I make a lot of videos that don't turn out how I thought it would, but most times I just delete them after spending time and money and effort. So but this one I said to humor you guys. So I decided, okay, let me try it with dark chocolate. So I took dark chocolate as well, but since I saw how the first one went, I said, okay, I'm not going to use 100 grams like I did initially. I'm going to use 50 grams so I don't waste my chocolate, just in case it doesn't work. So I took 50 grams of that, and at the same time I kept it in the microwave to melt down. And I also took 5 grams of my edible gold dust, and we're going to mix it with some oil and stir and see if it gives us a better result. Normally I think it will look good if you use just oil, but oil is not thick enough, so it won't give you the consistency you want with your drip that'll make it really nice. So let's see what dark chocolate gives us. I don't know, normally I would delete this video, but I'm having so much fun. I'm so sorry guys if I'm wasting your time. If you're looking for a good drip that you don't have to paint, this is not the video. I'm very sorry. I think I'm going to try another time with maybe cocoa butter. Yeah, cocoa butter will be great. Just cocoa butter, no chocolate. Yeah, I think I'll make another video with cocoa butter and see how it goes. Anyway, so let's see what dark chocolate gives us. You want to melt it down completely first, and then let's see the results. Okay, so guys, after I was melted, I decided to pour this thing, and it was looking good initially, but then it turned just like the other one and turned just brown and weird. It still looks better than the first one, but this is not the gold you're looking for. You're looking for that really nice pigmented gold. I think I'm really going to try with cocoa butter and see how it turns out. Anyway guys, if I wasted your time, I'm sorry. This video was just to humor you because I do a lot of experiments that don't work out and I end up wasting my time and wasting money and wasting my energy. So I said, okay, it didn't work out, doesn't mean I shouldn't post it, so I said to post it for you guys. Thank you guys so much. So behind the scene there's a lot of wastage and stuff, so thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.